Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. Luxurious indoor garden scene. Hyper-realistic style, featuring a modern, open-concept living space filled with lush greenery. The architecture blends seamlessly with nature, highlighted by floor-to-ceiling glass walls revealing vibrant tropical plants and trees. A sleek, white sofa with decorative pillows sits next to a minimalist coffee table, while an elegant dining area is visible in the background with stylish light fixtures overhead. The color palette includes rich greens, warm earth tones, and soft beige tones, creating a serene atmosphere. A pebble garden adds texture on the foreground, with scattered greenery and subtle, tasteful decor elements. Sunlight filters through, casting soft shadows and enhancing the indoor-outdoor connection. Indoor garden courtyard, showcasing lush tropical plants in a zen-like atmosphere. The space features smooth stone pathways winding through verdant foliage, interspersed with large rounded stones. Soft, natural light filters through the glass walls, casting gentle shadows and highlighting the textures of the plants. The color palette is rich in greens, with hints of beige and light gray from the materials. Ambient elements include a woven wall decoration and a minimalist pendant light, enhancing the serene vibe. The scene exudes hyper-realistic details, vibrant foliage, and a tranquil, inviting environment, perfect for escapism. A tranquil, modern interior courtyard space, blending nature and contemporary design, featuring lush greenery with various tropical plants, including large leaves and vibrant foliage. The scene is hyper-realistic, capturing detailed textures of the plants and materials. A soft, earthy color palette dominates with shades of green, beige, and subtle hints of gray. A minimalist gray sofa adorned with pillows sits beside a circular table and a sculptural pedestal, surrounded by a sandy floor interspersed with patches of moss and small stones. Natural light filters through the space, illuminating the greenery and creating soft shadows, while a glass wall frames the lush outdoor elements, seamlessly integrating the interior with the exterior greenery. The overall atmosphere is serene and inviting, perfect for relaxation. Interior courtyard garden, serene and modern aesthetic, lush green foliage with various tropical plants, geometric wooden deck with a minimalistic circular water feature, natural light filtering through a skylight, clean lines and a blend of textures, soft sunlight casting gentle shadows, warm neutral tones of wood against the greenery, pebbled pathway interspersed with grass, impressionist style with a focus on tranquility and harmony. modern interior space seamlessly blending with an abundant tropical garden. The scene is hyper-realistic, showcasing lush green plants cascading throughout the room, including large palm leaves and vibrant ferns. Sunlight filters through expansive glass walls, casting soft, dappled shadows on the warm-toned wooden floor. A comfortable, minimalist gray sofa is centered around a sleek wooden coffee table, adorned with a small decorative bowl. Natural textures and colors dominate the palette, with shades of green, earthy browns, and soft creams. In the background, a stylish dining area features a wooden table with elegant chairs, harmonizing with the surrounding nature. The atmosphere exudes tranquility and modern sophistication, inviting relaxation and connection with nature. A serene modern living room designed with a seamless indoor-outdoor connection, featuring large glass windows that invite abundant natural light. The aesthetic leans towards minimalism, with an emphasis on clean lines and organic elements. Soft, neutral tones dominate, with light beige cushions on a spacious sectional sofa and a wooden coffee table adorned with art books and a small plant. In the background, lush greenery bursts through, showcasing large tropical leaves and potted plants, creating a vibrant, lively atmosphere. The open kitchen area is visible, featuring a sleek design with warm wooden cabinetry and modern appliances. Natural light filters through the space, casting delicate shadows, evoking a tranquil and inviting mood. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.